Today I want to show my homemade plant spray, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. Now, I've tried a lot of natural pesticides, everything from soap and water to garlic juice and numerous other things, but this is what I found to be most effective for me. This is something that it seems to be very effective against my aphids, the mealyworms, and spider mites, which are my worst predators in my greenhouse. First, we're going to start with the neem oil. The neem oil works really good. Once they ingest it, they're dead in about 4 days. But I'm going to add the lemon juice, and we're using dish soap. Now, this is green dish soap, but any kind of Dawn usually works. And try them out. Now, this is my recipe for a gallon. It's 1 tablespoon neem oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Now, the gallon works very well outside, but inside I like to use these spray bottles. Now, I first found these at a hairstyle place. They used it for wetting hair down. This one is a 24 ounce. They also come in 10 ounces. And I will put a link at the bottom to both of them. What they are is continuous spray bottles. So once you get them primed and you hit the button or hit the trigger, you only hit them once and they keep spraying. Very nice for this and very nice for your indoor plants. Now, for the purpose of this though, I'm only going to mix up enough for one of my bottles. The bottle that I'm going to use though is I'm going to use the 24 ounce. So I'm going to scale down my mixture, and it's going to be a half teaspoon of the neem, a half teaspoon of the lemon juice, and a little under a quarter of the dish soap. Now, once you get this mixture in, it is very important that you shake the bottle vigorously. You have to emulsify the neem oil. Neem oil has a tendency to want to separate. So with the soap in there, it will break the neem oil down so that it can atomize. Now, these spray bottles that I'm using will break it down to 100 micron. Alright, now I'm focusing on this rose cutting here that I've started because it's got spider mites. Now, spider mites are one of them ones that, because they have the coating over it, nest, web, whatever you want to call it, you really got to saturate it to get it in there. Because if not, all you're going to do is make them move. So, what you want to do is, you want to coat everything. And I mean the tops, the bottoms, everything. You want that stuff to get inside that web. Now, don't worry about your roses or even your other plants with that. The neem oil will actually help protect against your leaf molds and funguses as well. So start at one end, work your way all over, make sure you get everything, and I mean everything. Now, when you're done, what you want to do is wait about 4 to 7 days, check it out again. If you see any evidence, hit it again. Now, you can do this like 2 or 3 times, no big deal. But the main thing is to get rid of them. Now, there are a lot of other pests that this will take care of. And I'll show you a list of the other pests that it will take care of. These you can kill first time out, as long as you get them good the first time. And I mean really saturate them. Now, coming up here, I got 2 more lists. The first list is ones that you'll kill some of them, and the other ones you'll drive off. Usually you kill the younger and the older leave. And then you got your next list, which is just ones that you'll drive off. It won't kill them, but it'll help get rid of them, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe.